and welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Nina and I have missed you guys a lot. I have been absent for a while and it was not my intention, as it usually is not. I had this video all planned out. I filmed the intro for this video I think a week and a half ago. Hi guys, and welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video, and it's actually the first spring video of 2021, it's the 1st of March, and my plan was to do a Easter DIY and show you my Easter tablescape. As these things often goes, it was not as smooth sailing as I had thought it would be. So I have been knee-deep in concrete and cement, and the reason is that I decided that this year tablescape will be focused around eggs. Very big chickens maybe have laid these eggs, or a dragon. Eggs are eggs is my kind of conclusion. If you think that dragon eggs are a strange Easter decor, I wanted to make egg shaped or egg lanterns. And I am not the kind of girl that learns through trial and error. I hate that. I am a planner, so I had planned out, looked at a lot of videos and photos and kind of made my mind up how this was going to go. And as often happens when you try to plan things, it didn't turn out like I had planned. And what I had planned was that, the most beautiful eggs I found was using a method where you use very, very fine concrete or cement, and you put it inside a balloon, blow up the balloon, then you turn the balloon around and you let it rest until the cement or concrete has gone hard. Then you just slide open or cut open the balloon and you have a gorgeous cement egg. Easy peasy. At least if you ask the people that make these kind of eggs. It was not so easy peasy, and the reason it was not so easy peasy is that I, here in Norway, where I'm located, could not find the right kind of concrete or cement. So I tried out, first I tried that method. I think I tried to make 10 or 15 eggs with that method. In the process, finding out how expensive balloons are in Norway, and I could not get it to work. I got one egg made with this method, and it's the egg I like the most. So if I had the right cement, this would be my method of choice. My choice of method. Oh, that's what I'm trying to say. So then I had to go into this try and error approach, which I hate. I get so stressed and irritated, and yeah, it doesn't help that my husband kept saying, this is how you learn, you know, you have to try, fail, and then you will get it in the end. But I'm a big girl, so I put my big girl's pants on, and I did exactly that. I tried, I failed a lot, and then I came up with a method that I thought worked. So that is what this video is going to be, because if I'm going to wait until I'm ready to decorate my table, I'm not going to get a video out. So just know that there's a lot of much better videos on YouTube and Pinterest with this that you can watch, but I wanted to talk to you. It has been a long time and I wanted you to see what I'm up to, and one of the methods I tried that it works but I don't like the result was I used a kind of cement or concrete that we had lying around. It's the kind of fine grained cement that you use as the kind of last layer when you put concrete on a wall, or cement. I don't know what to call it. In Norwegian it's called cement, and I think that's also an English or American term, but I know that you also use concrete. So yeah, but concrete sounds strange to me, but okay. So I then, as I said, had tried the kind of inside the balloon method a lot without, and this takes time, because I didn't have fast drying concrete, so I had to wait a lot of hours for each time. And when I finally had to cave with the inside the balloon method, I decided to try outside of the balloon. And I first used some concrete we had lying around, and that was too grainy. The inside of the egg was smooth and nice, and I liked that, although it had a lot of kind of air bubbles or holes in it, which I did not like. Eggs don't have that. And the outside was way too kind of grainy and uneven for my liking. So then I had to go back in the kind of, had to put my thinking cap back on and try to figure out what to do. And then I bought, it's also a kind of cement or concrete. It's not called that, but it's the kind you use if you make a concrete floor. It's the last layer you use to just even the floor out. So it's a very, very fine powdery cement or concrete, and you can only use it for thin layers. So I kind of played around a lot with that and came up with an idea that I liked. So I blew up the balloons in the wanted size, and I tried to make different sizes. And then I mixed a fairly thin cement, and I poured one layer around the balloon. I put the balloon on top of some old jars that I had. I collect jars because I use them for a lot. So they came in handy doing this. And I had to first take 2 layers of cement on the outside with the balloon inside. And then and of course it's stuck. The more I made, the more cement got stuck to the to the jar, so the balloon also got stuck. But these are supposed to be open eggs or broken eggs, so it looks like the very big chicken or dragon has crawled out. So I did not mind that they kind of broke when I took them off the jar. Then I just cut a hole in the balloon, took it out, and this is where you have to kind of judge for yourself how thick or thin you want the egg to be. I wanted them to be as thin as possible without being so fragile that they would break when I handle them. So for some I used 2 or 3 coats on the outside, and then I poured concrete on the inside and swirled it around, and did that 2 or 3 times. As I say, you have to kind of decide for yourself how thin or thick you would want it. For me, not being able to get the kind of fast drying cement that's fine enough grained or smooth enough, this was what I found worked for me. So I'm sure, or I know that in the US you will much easier be able to get this kind of fast drying hobby cement. So I think that would be the easiest and give the best result. But I wanted to use what we had bought. I'm sure if I had looked more, I could find a better suited cement here in Norway as well. But this is the method I went for. Then I had decided that I wanted all the eggs to be white and with a glossy kind of metallic paint in different colors on the inside. And I did paint some of them white on the outside, but then I decided that I liked the kind of natural concrete gray, cement gray color on the outside much more. So I did a combination of the two. I painted some of them white and most of them I left in the gray concrete color. And on the inside I bought copper, gold, silver and pink metallic paint, but I ended up using just the silver and the pink because in my house Easter is pink. I'm not a big fan of yellow, so I use pink instead. I hope you enjoyed the DIY and my very big chicken or small dragon eggs. I also made, or actually my grandson made for me because he broke some of my eggs by accident, and so I did not toss them away. I made these small pieces, different pieces, which I'm also going to use in my decor. So I hope you will come back and see how I make hopefully a beautiful Easter tablescape using these metallic dragon chicken egg lanterns. They are supposed to be like this. Okay guys, I'll do my best to be back as soon as possible. To be quite honest with you, I have a bad case of the corona blues. I'm just over it. I'm sure you are as well. I want my life back, and I find it hard to kind of get inspired and be motivated, and I don't want to just bring you videos for the sake of the videos, and there are so little happening here right now as well, so it has not been anything to kind of do a vlog about, but I think that over this summer, or when we get a bit more into spring, I will do maybe not every week, but kind of weekly vlogs, or at least vlogs for over a few days, so that because I don't decorate a lot, and as I said in the beginning of the year, this is a year where we're we are planning to organize and get things in order, and I will document as much as I can, and of course I will decorate, and we will go on holiday here in Norway, and I will take you along for as much as I think you will enjoy. But for now I'm going to be not so consistent, is that the word? I think so, with my videos. When I have something to film and something to bring you, I will, and yeah, so you don't have to be worried if I'm kind of missing in action for periods of time. I will try not to, but yeah, as you see, not everything can be planned. So, and when I do these kind of things, time just flies. So I didn't think it was this long since I've done a video last. So yeah. Okay guys, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you again, hopefully within a week. I'm going to kind of crack on, get all my Easter decor out, and hopefully make something beautiful that I can show you. Okay guys, be safe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!